loves, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today is day 22. Yes, 22. So for today's video, I wanted to share an easy Grinch inspired makeup. It's just basically a green smoky eye with a red lip. So I wanted to share this just in case you have no idea what to do makeup wise for Christmas, and maybe this can inspire you into adding some color into your makeup. I focused mainly on the eyes in this video. I didn't share much of the skin. So yeah, make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I did a really funny reels over there, like inspired on the Grinch. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you want to see how I created this Grinch inspired makeup, just keep watching this video. So I like to use an eyeshadow base on my eyes, and today I'm using the Pretty Vulgar one, and I'm blending it with my beauty sponge. And now let's get closer. I'm using the James Charles palette, and I'm using a green color all over the creases of my eyes. Now in the outer V of my eyes, I am using a deeper green shade. As you can see, I'm focusing mainly on the outer and dragging it a little bit inwards. Then I'm using a gold shadow from the BoxyCharm palette. I like to add this type of shadows in a tapping motion because I feel the pigment show up better when you apply it. Then in my brow bone, I'm putting a white shadow to make it pop a little. I'm blending all that in gently, not trying to not ruin the rest of the makeup. Then I added my liner. I'm kind of speeding through my liner here because I don't want to. I can make a video just based on explaining how I do my eyeliner, but this is basically it. Then in my lower lash line, I added a black liner. And a little bit of that deep green shadow also. Using the NYX Glitter Goals palette, I added a touch of the yellow glitter in the inner corners of my eyes. I think this elevates the look and it makes it a whole lot of fun. Moving along with my lashes, I am going to use fake lashes, but first I like to coat my real ones with some mascara. While those dry, I dip my lips. I line my lips with my red liner, which I don't remember the name of, but I know it's from NYX. And I use the shade Chili from MAC Cosmetics to top it off. I love how vibrant this color is. I added some highlighter because of course. And then I apply my fake lashes. I'm here fast forwarding a little bit, but one day I'm going to slow down and talk about my tips and tricks on how to apply eyelashes and not get stressed because it can be stressful sometimes. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow for another one.